Welcome to another video. With me here today are the all-new SoundPeats W2. If you're in the United States, they're called the SoundPeats W2, but in other markets, you might find this name here. So if you come across this, just know it's the same thing. Pop Clip2 or W2, they mean the same thing. But in the United States, these are listed as W2. And I leave links to Amazon here. And I have a special launch discount code here, which will give you up to 30% off between August 10th to August 31st. So make sure you take advantage of that. And as soon as you watch this video, make sure you take advantage of that before it runs out. And this come in at $50, but again, that discount code will help you save up to 30%. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing this in detail, but I won't go into the technical jargon. I'll just be telling you whether they are comfortable, whether they sound good, and whether they will be worth your money. Box, it comes with this cable for charging. It's a short Type-C cable, and there are these stickers. I don't know what these are for and how they go here, but you can figure it out for yourself. Yeah, this comes in the box. And there's a very nice, beautiful user manual if you want to get into the details like how to reset this and other things that you might want to know. Make sure you read this manual. It's very clear English. So to start us off, I'll just show you how they look. So this is how they look. And if you're not familiar with clip-on earbuds, these are simply earbuds which don't enter into your ear canal, which is a good thing for mostly for people who have sensitive ears like me. This really came in handy when I got them. Clip-on earbuds like the SoundPeats W2 are for three types of people. If you're in this category, you should get this. If you hate in earbuds and want to be able, but still want to be able to enjoy your podcast or music for extended periods. Number two, if you are glasses like myself, this really came through for me in that front. And also, if you're usually outdoors, this are a very good safety gadget to have with you. We'll talk more about that as we progress into the video. So the first, before we get into the details, we'll just have a look at them here. So this is how they look. This is the part that stays outside your ear, and this is the one that directs sounds towards your ear canal without getting in. And we'll talk more about how they sound as we go on. But first, I'll talk about the comfort. During my testing, I was able to use this for quite several hours continuously without feeling tired or getting any ear fatigue or any form of pressure. I didn't feel that. And remember, I usually wear glasses all day, and I was able to. The longest I've been able to use them continuously was 8 hours while working. I was able to use them for 8 hours. And the good thing about this, they are very light. Sometimes you can forget that you have them on. I even, at one point, I forgot and got with them into the shower. And I'll just put the waterproof rating here if there's any. I didn't see any of that in the box. I'll just look for it. If I find it, I'll put it up here. But they didn't get damaged when I accidentally got into the shower with them, so that's a good thing. And also for the feet, you can jump with this, you can jog, you can shake your head very hard without them falling off. And they are secure and they barely move. So if you want this for your workouts, I will recommend them for that. So for the build quality, this is entirely mostly plastic, but it's very high quality plastic, so don't worry about that. On to the most important specification of this, the sound quality. I won't go into the details on the drivers and all that, but what I can tell you this, I was skeptical about clip-on earbuds having good bass, but this really deliver on that front. They have surprisingly good bass. You can take my word for that. And yeah, the fact that they don't get into your canal might make you think They don't have bass, but they do have bass. So don't worry about that. This will still give you one of the best listening experiences you can have with earbuds, especially for the price. These are they sound very good. When I was listening to music, all genres, I tried rock, I tried hip hop. They isolate instruments quite impressively. If you listen to podcasts, they still sound incredible, especially for the vocals. You'll get everything quite clearly. So they sound good right out of the box, but you can add a little bit of magic if you turn on LDAC from the app, which will give you lossless audio. They sound good already, and that took it to a slightly higher level. Now, for this, for sound leakage, for call quality, before I get into sound leakage, call quality, I've used this indoors and outdoors. I was able to clearly communicate with the person on the other side when I was testing this. And ever since, after testing, I've been using them every day. Whenever I receive a call and have this on, I usually use them without any issues. And this button makes receiving and hanging up of calls quite easy. So if you want this, you can still use them for your calls. You won't, don't worry about that. Sound leakage is a real issue for clip-on earbuds, and this one is no exception. So if you're in a quiet room or an office space that is quiet, people are most likely to hear a little bit of what you're listening to. But that's not an issue if you're outdoors. That is not noticeable at all. And if you use this at low volumes, also even in a quiet room, very little will leak if you're below 50%. And but the SoundPeats audio app has a feature called privacy mode, which will tone down on that sound leakage, which I found to be quite interesting because it did work. It did work, but for everyday use, I don't see myself using that privacy mode. But if that's something, if you are keen on sound leakage, that feature will come in handy on the app. So for awareness, they work. Actually, you'll be aware of what's happening around you, but that's for loud sounds. But for things like conversations and all that, especially if you're above 50% volume, you can't really hear human voices. But for things like cars, motorbikes, generally loud sound, or even if you're indoors, maybe if your doorbell rings, you'll still be able to hear. You'll mostly be able to hear this if your ears are in good condition. So for awareness, these are quite good. So if you want to use this for a jog and you have to be aware of what's around you, this will still work. But at maximum volume, you might struggle a little bit from experience, but if you turn that down a little bit, you'll be able to hear. But for cars hooting, you'll hear everything clearly without any issues. So that's one thing I love about this. I don't have to take them off or stop listening to what I'm listening to. And also, as much as there's a lot of noise outdoors, interestingly, from my use, I've been able to still be able to listen to whatever I'm listening to without the outside noise distracting me. Yet I'm still able to be aware of what's happening and stay safe, especially when I'm out on the road. For what I consider the second most important specification for any kind of hearing device like this clip-on earbuds, battery life, did two tests for this, actually three. The first test was how long they can last playing continuously at maximum volume. The second test was this a similar test but at 50% volume, and the third test was the number of times the case is able to charge. At maximum volume, I was able to play music. I was using music, by the way. So maybe the numbers might vary depending on what you're listening to. Maybe it's you listen to podcasts, watch movies. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I use this for purely music across different genres. Mainly it was rock and hip hop, and I was able to get 8 hours at maximum volume on a single charge. Yeah, of course, one will run out before the other, but it usually they will take around the same time with just a few minutes difference. And also at 50% volume, I was able to get a total of exactly 9.5 hours. So at 50% volume, 9.5 hours, that's an hour and a half more than when using it at maximum volume. So you should be able to get between 8 to 10 hours on this without any issues. SoundPeats claims that you'll get 10 hours, which is quite close, I think. Maybe for mixed use, you might be able to get that figure. But for me, 100% volume, I got 8 hours. And at 50% volume for music, I got 9.5 hours. And once this ran out, I charged them up, used them again, drained them, then used them. I was able to charge this about 5 times. So that should be a total of at least 40 hours. For most people, it should take days, weeks, and for others months, if depending on your use frequency. So for charging them, that was it's the fourth test I did. I said I did 3, but it was the fourth one for charging. This was able to charge up, the case was able to charge up in about just over an hour. I was able to fill this up. Yeah, so that's one thing you should know. And it charges at around, I don't know if it got to 5 watts, between 2.5 to 5 watts. That's what I saw in the power bank that I was using. So I'll quickly take you through the SoundPeats app. I won't get into the details, but I'll just take you through the features that we have. So it will, first of all, and most importantly, it will be able to show the battery level on each earbud and the case. Here, the spatial audio, gesture controls, you can customize them. You can play around with the equalizer to find the best, to make your music sound as good as you want to. Dual device connection, if you want to maybe connect this to your computer and your phone so that you don't have to, you can enjoy using them on both devices at the same time. There's LDAC for lossless audio. I just have that on. As I said earlier in the video, it helps a little bit. Prompt sound guide, yeah, for changing the volume of the sound prompt, and you can also change the language if English is not your native language. We have the game mode to reduce latency when you're playing games, where you need to communicate with people, and or when you're playing with other people online. Dynamic equalizer, you can turn that on. Rated function in case it has some water. Privacy mode, if you want to reduce sound leakage. Find earbuds in case you lose them. There's a user guide, device info. You can upgrade the firmware in case they push an update. And lastly, you can reset your device by simply tapping this option. Out of 10, I'll give this a solid 9. So I highly recommend you get this, especially if you're new to clip-on earbuds. This can be a good start, and you won't need even more than this. And for the price, that's $50. These are quite good quality earbuds. For the sound quality, the battery life, the build quality is also quite nice. And the SoundPeat app gives you a lot of control over this. So for $50, I highly recommend you get this. And again, I leave a link in the description on where you can buy this. And also, if you are checking out on Amazon, make sure you use the launch discount code here, which will be valid until August 31st, 2026. So make sure you take advantage of that before this gets back to the original $50 price. The code will give you 30% off. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.